So coding,
Ashman.
decoding. Coding, decoding is what? Have you like ever watched any movie or something where there are soldiers and police officers, they are using different things, different words which has a different meaning, like secret message? Like secret message, have you ever watched?
No.
No?
Yes. No.
Okay, okay. Let's say now we are together for the last 10 minutes. So we have become friends. We have become friends? Can I consider you as my friend? All of you?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, thank you so much. So now let's say we have become friends. So we'll develop a code language, okay? Which nobody else will understand. Well, obviously your parents will understand because your parents are sitting by the side, but somebody else who is joining the meeting now, he or she won't understand. Let's say I tell you that I have a problem of forgetting things. It's a secret, my secret. I forget things very easily. So when I have to take a pen, I call it eraser. When I have to take an eraser, I call it pencil. So now I have shared my secret with you. So when I ask you to bring your eraser, what will you all bring?
Eraser.
No, not
Pencil.
eraser.
Pencil.
You'll
Pen.
actually bring pen.
Ma'am,
Very good, Saransh. Pen. Why? Because for me, I forget things and I call pen as eraser. Isn't it? So when I'm telling eraser, you know that she has a problem of forgetting. She's not good with memory. So she'll bring pen. So we have to bring pen. She means pen is to be brought. Okay, everyone? So this is
yes.
coding, decoding, where we have a secret message, which only one who is creating understands, and for the one it is created understand. Nobody else understands. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. But that was false forgetting thing. Okay? I don't have any such problem. So please don't proceed with that. Don't think that we have a forgetful teacher. Okay, so coding, decoding, that's the base. Now, coding, decoding are of many types. We can do it with alphabets also, we can do it with numbers also, and we can do it with objects also, just the way I have done right now. The one which I did. Completely substitution. Okay, I substituted one thing for another. Got it, everyone? Yes or
Got
no? Jayashmita?
it.
Very good. Now see, this is a word, earn. How have I coded it? I've taken three alphabets from there. I, I write E as H. F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H is the third alphabet, na? After
Yes.
E? Yes. Again, A. Instead of writing A, what am I writing? B, C, D, the third alphabet from there. Similarly for R, S, T, U. So in every case, I'm taking the third alphabet plus 3 from here. So this is called coding. Okay, everyone? And this is logical reasoning. When I tell you, I write earn as HDUQ. First, over here, this is given, and I have told you that it's plus 3. But when in the question it comes, you have to first find the logic, how it is converted or coded. Then you have to solve the answer. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Moshika, Shrutadhi, Saransh, did you all understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Very
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So coding, decoding. What is coding, decoding? When I convert, for example, say I converted pen to eraser, that was coding. But the moment, excuse me, but the moment I asked you, when I tell eraser, what do you mean? And Saransh said pen, right? So what did he do? He decoded it. He understood my code and he did the reverse. He found out the original. So that was decoding. When I'm converting something, that's coding. When I'm taking out the original, I'm going back, that's decoding. Okay, everyone? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So as I told you, letter coding we have, substitution coding we have. Okay? So letter coding. What's letter coding? Letter coding is using alphabets. As I told you, first you have to find the logic. See, row is written as PMU. So what's the logic here? Who can tell me? I write ROW as PMU. So what's the logic here? Then how will I write let? If I write ROW as PMU, how do I write let? First find the logic.
அப்படிதான் ஆமா சொல்லு அப்படி
Yes, anyone?
முன்னாடி என்ன லெட்டர் இருக்கும் அது பியா என்ன
Okay, from R, P comes after or P comes before? P comes after R or before R? Which one?
முன்னாடி தானே பி
Before. Very good. So you have took out the first step. You know it comes before. That means you're taking alphabets before. How many before? How many alphabets before? P, Q, R. I'm skipping one alphabet and going behind, isn't it? After R, I skipped the first alphabet. Before that Q, I took P. Similarly, before O, what comes before O?
வீட்டு முன்னாடி யூ
N, isn't it? N comes before O na? So I skipped N, I took M. Before W, what comes?
எல்லுக்கு முன்னாடி
Are everyone has forgotten ABCD. You people know ABCD?
Mom, Sarashtan X.
X comes before W. भूल गए ABCD भूल गए.
JCR.
What comes before W? V, very good. So V comes before W. V comes before W. So I have skipped V and I've taken U. Okay. So now this is the pattern. I'm skipping one and taking one before that. I'm going in reverse order. So how will I code let? Let. How will I code it?
எல்லுக்கு முன்னாடி கே கேக்கு முன்னாடி ஜே
How will I code let?
எல்லாத்துக்கும் தலையாட்டாது பின்னாடி தலையாடு
Jayashmita, please don't write on the screen. I won't be able to erase that on my end, okay? Nobody should write on the screen, please. Quick. How will I code let? let.
JCR
JCR.
But your mama said the answer. We don't have demo for my parents. This is the demo for you people, na? After the class, I'll ask everyone to say ABCD. Looks like everybody has forgotten the ABCD. It's written down. See, you can take the hints. Act smart. Okay?
Yes.
JCR. Before L, K comes, I skip that, I take J. Before E, D comes, I skip that, I take C. Before T, what comes? S. I skip that, I take R. JCR is the answer. Okay, everyone? Thumbs up if you understood. Thumbs up if you understood. Very good. So over here, the explanation is given. Okay? I was going reverse and I'm taking the previous previous alphabet. Fine enough? Moving on next. Substitution coding, where you're completely changing the word, like the one I gave you the example in the beginning. Desk is called chair. Chair is called blackboard. Blackboard is called duster. Duster is called chalk. Where do you sit in the classroom? Okay. In such questions, do not read the question. Never read the complete question. What should you do? Just read the last part of the question. What's the last part of the question? Where do you sit in the classroom? Where do you sit in the classroom?
Chair.
Chair. And what is chair called?
Blackboard.
Blackboard. So what happens if you read the complete question, it becomes confusing. Chair is blackboard, blackboard is duster, duster is chalk. So it's very confusing. Don't do that. Just read the last part of the question and find the original answer. Chair is called blackboard, so blackboard is Understood? Understood? So this is how you do these questions. Or boring?
Yes.
Interesting?
Interest.
Okay. But you're yawning and saying interesting. Something which is interesting, you don't yawn in that. Okay, we have one question over here. Dog is written as FQI, so cat is written how? Let's see who can answer quick.
The dog is written as FQI. Cat.
ECV. ECV.
DOG. FQI. How? E missing F. Plus 2. You're taking the second alphabet. O, P missing Q. G, H missing I. So you're taking 2, 2.
ECV.
Correct. So after C, D missing E, A, B missing C, T, U missing V. So ECV is the answer. Very good, everyone. Okay. Next question.
Next question is repeat and
Quick, quick.
Eraser.
Eraser. Very good, Jashmita. Rest of you. Rest of you, say quick. Where do you put your school supplies? In the bag. And bag is called eraser. So eraser is the answer.
Eraser.
Eraser. Okay, everyone? Okay. So that was coding, decoding. A small, brief description to coding, decoding. Next comes ranking. Do you know what's rank? Have you ever participated in your school sports?
Yes. Yes.
Or any competition?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So if you participate in school sports or any competition, what happens? The one who performs the best, he or she is given a medal or a trophy and is called out the first, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? So
Yes.
that's called ranking. Ranking means a position given to you on the basis of your performance. Okay? A position given to you on the basis of your performance or quality or importance or success, anything. Okay, everyone? For example, I'll get back to this one later. I'll give you a few easy questions, then I'll get back again to this. For example, see over here we have, what is the position of this flower from the left? Over here, this is left side, this is right side. So what is the position of this flower from the left?
Fourth.
Okay, I want answer from anybody else. Every time Jayashmita is only answering. Rest of you, come on. What is the position of this flower from the left? Position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Fourth, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fourth from the first. Okay. One more question. Which flower is second from the bottom? Second from the bottom. Which one? A, B, C, or D?
C.
C. Very good. So this is second from the bottom. Okay.
The first.
Okay. So first is this type of question. One more we have. Tia is third from the left in the row of 4 girls. What is her position from the right? Tia is third from the left.
Second.
Which one is Tia? This one? First, second, third. So this one is Tia from the left, right? So from the right hand side, she is
Second.
very good. First and second. So this is second. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll go back to the slide I skipped. This is a formula. Okay. Suppose I tell you Tia is a girl who is standing third from the left and fourth from the right.
10.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's say I tell you Tia is third from the left and fourth from the right. So how many girls are there in the line then? How many total girls in the line? How do you do it?
4.
The formula is you
Five.
add position from the left, from the right and subtract 1. Why do I subtract 1? Because the position from the left and position from the right both are of the same girl Tia. Can Tia stand in two places at the same time? Is it possible?
No.
In your school assembly line, you have school assembly? You have assembly in your school in the morning?
Yes.
Yes. So in the line, you make a line and stand, na? So in the line, can you stand at the beginning and at the end both
Yes.
places? Can you stand in the beginning and at the end both places? No, na? So same logic, okay? So
No.
position from the left plus position from the right minus 1. This is how we do. Okay? So let's see. This question over here, what is her position? Okay, this one we have done. We have next question. Do we have any question on this? Okay, looks like we don't have any question on this. Never mind, you just know the formula. Okay? Okay? So did you understand ranking? Did you understand ranking? Moshika, did you understand ranking?
Yes. Little bit.
You have to take so much time, that means you did not understand. Okay, Moshika, answer. Which fruit is fifth from the right? No one will prompt the answer, okay? We'll go turn-wise. Moshika, which fruit is fifth from the right? No one will take help from the parents. This is your work you will do on your own. Which is the fifth fruit from the right, Moshika? Answer to ma'am.
Cherry.
Huh?
Cherry.
But that's not in the options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Strawberry. Okay? That's a pear. See? That's a pear. So that's counted as 1. Okay, Moshika? Next question. Jayashmita, which is the second most played game? Second most played game. Which one?
Basketball.
Basketball. Very good. The most played is soccer because this is highest. Second is basketball. Next. Shrutadi. If John chooses a toy that is kept on the second shelf from the top, what is the position of the same toy from the bottom if there are total 6 shelves?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fifth. So 5 is the answer. Okay, last question, Saranj. Which object is fourth from the left?
Ring.
Huh?
Bell. Bell.
Bell. Very good. Bell. Thank you.